Welcome back to another OTD unboxing video. Today I have for you kind of a special case unboxing. It comes over from Jcar Diecast, and it is the Hot Wheels 2025 Track Fleet. Yeah, the Track Fleet. I don't necessarily see these cases come up too often, so once Jcar got some in, I wanted to see if I could get one from Jcar and do an unboxing, because I know there's some really cool, crazy new designs in here, and especially two in this case that I'm really looking forward to, and I wanted to show them off to you guys. The HYT56, if you are in the store at retail and you see these on the pallets, that's what these come in. This is the B case, so I'm not sure 100% if this is the second mix for 2025 or not, but as you can see, it also comes 6 pieces to a case. So Track Fleet here, and I guess just pop this open and see what we get inside. Thank you again, Jcar Diecast. As always, thank you for supporting the OTD YouTube channel. It's always just, I'm so thankful that you chose to support OTD. All right, so first one out of the mix is one of the ones I've been just dying to have, the Porsche 911 off-roader. So you get a Porsche off-road casting, and I believe this casting is new. Yeah, it actually is labeled as such. It is the Porsche 911 off-roader. And yeah, so it's got the tool number JCM61 there. And then you got a metal base on the trailer, so that these can run on the track. And yeah, it says Porsche 911 off-roader as well. And I'll see, yeah, it looks like these come apart here. So I will make sure when I get these on the turntable to get these apart for you. But just a great casting. This Track Fleet has really come a long way. And the fact that we're getting these licensed cars with these kind of realistic trailers, and you know, what is this trailer even, like, what is this all about? We have a gas can, got the same tires as the car, which is pretty cool, and some spare wheels, a surfboard which is decorated. It's got Dwayne Vance on it, who's behind the line, and I believe this design as well. Yeah, did I say gas tank? Yeah, it looks like maybe like a toolbox, done in like kind of the same kind of German flag style deco with the black, the yellow, and the red on here, carrying forward from the car and the trailer. You get some mud spray as well, those muddy wheels. Again, they get this brown mud spraying up from them on the sides of the trailer and on the car. So it's just a really cool pair. Again, this is one of the castings I was looking forward to. I haven't found them at retail yet, so when these popped up on jcardiecast.com, I made sure to get a case, because I've been really looking forward to this one among another one in this case. All right, but since we're unboxing, we're gonna unbox all of these here and just show them off and see, I don't know, see if maybe something strikes your fancy. This is the Nitro Rail. Again, I'm not going to be like a super big expert on these because I don't normally collect them, but the Track Fleet are just really cool, and they actually like come from, there's what is it, Trackin Trucks, right? Trackin Trucks, and this train come from, what was the line before this? It was remember, it was all the railroad trains. I'm not sure if this is, I know, no, that was a while ago. I don't think this is part of that one, but it's neither here nor there. This is the Nitro Rail. So we did see this in Trackin Trucks, if I remember correctly. And it looks like you can kind of fit like another car on the, maybe a smaller car on the back here. But on the, whatever this trailer is, but then you have the locomotive engine on the front. So, I mean, just a cool design. Again, not for everybody, but you know, if you collect train, I know there's a lot of train collectors out there that would love to have this piece. Maybe you have a buddy that's a train collector. Maybe share that piece with them. Buy a case, share the piece with them. All right. So this is interesting. So this is what I love about unboxing something like that I wouldn't normally collect, is that you kind of expose to something that, I don't know, maybe I'm just passing these up on the pegs. This is actually pretty cool. The Semi Roger Dodger. I'm not even sure if I knew this was, well, I guess I knew it was a thing, but you get kind of that blown engine from the Roger Dodger on this truck casting. White tires. I assume this must be some sort of, no, I don't know, maybe I guess it's just a stunt truck, right? But yeah, Semi Roger Dodger, the namesake, on the side. You can put a Roger Dodger easily on the back. what is interesting is these trucks appear to be, a lot of these trucks appear to be metal, like the cabs, and then they have a plastic base, but then the trailer has a metal base and the trailers are plastic. Must be some, I assume it's for performance reasons. Not exactly sure, but that's pretty cool nonetheless. Cool design. Get the 76 too, which has appeared on a lot of Roger Dodgers in the past. All right, here is what the other one that I was really looking forward to in this mix. It is the Transformers Ultra Magnus. So we get, is this like the, I think, I'm trying to see if this is the, like the Optimus Prime truck, just like reused. And you'll be looking at it on the turntable, so you'll be able to see the side by side. For me, I'm just looking at this kind of fresh here, and we got the JCM 53 or 59. Yeah, I think this is actually a new casting of the trailer, so it goes hand in hand with the. I mean, it looks exactly the same. I'm looking off camera here at the Optimus Prime, so the cab looks exactly the same. So maybe they just, I don't know, they must have just tooled up another base. I mean, it's quite possible that it connects differently. Again, you'll be able to see it on the turntable, whereas I am not. But look at the cab, or the payload on this thing. We got the missiles. And I need to really brush up on my Transformers, but this is like one casting that needed to be done, and it's really cool that it's being done in Track Fleet. Yeah. I'm like super pumped to have this. Words can't even describe how pumped I am to have this and get this with Optimus Prime. So you got, looks like we're gonna get one of each car in this mix, right? Yeah. Okay. So yeah, the last two here are in the case here. Let's check this out. We have the Holland Class. The Holland Class, definitely a school bus themed hauler. You get the skull wheels, which is really cool. The skull wheels make an appearance outside of the Halloween line. Class of Rock. Just trying to check these out for the first time. I don't really, like I said, I don't traditionally collect this line. I collect, you know, I mean, if there's something really cool, I'll pick it up. But it is cool to see, kind of take a look at these castings with you for the first time. I see the bananas in the back and some books and an apple, a ruler, and some markers or pencils. Really cool deco. I always love the decos on these things too. You got the chrome grille, the engine again on this one sticking out, some pipes sticking out of the front fenders. Cool casting. I'm not sure, these are just mainly for racing too. They don't really, I'm not sure if they have a they're not really meant to haul cars, I don't think, because they're like the width of a track. So I guess I'm proven wrong again, because I see one, I think this one is meant to haul a car. But this is the Speed Hauler, hence the name Hauler. But we have a Robo Beast deco on this, kind of clear, I mean, got clear wheels, clear payload there, clear cab. So kind of like an X-Racer's done, like an X-Racer style truck here. And I believe the top, where's the top? The top either, it goes, oh yeah, it looks like it's kind of got the wing doors, they flip open. Again, if you're seeing, you'll be seeing this on the turntable, and you'll be seeing exactly how they open up. I'll see if I can even fit a car on the inside. But yeah, just cool. I mean, it's a cool design. I think I picked up, I'm trying to remember the last Track Fleet car I picked up. It's been a while, but I remember buying like that Mercedes Actros, right? Actros, and it had that kind of same deal with the flip open doors on the payload. I wonder if this is actually the same. No, it can't be. No, it's actually a Speed Hauler. So, but yeah, another new cast, or new to me. So, thanks again, Jcar Diecast, for sending this over. This is the B case, HYT 56 of Track Fleet. You get 6 different haulers, so I mean, you can't complain. No duplicates. And on top of that, you get the Ultra Magnus, which, I mean, alone is like, I think it's like something for like $20 by itself, along with the Porsche 911 off-roader, which is, I think, has a decent price tag on it itself. So again, thank you for watching. Let me know what you think. If you'd like to see more of these kind of off the wall, kind of different unboxings, let me know if you like this, because I'll definitely order some more cases and see what I can get. And we can go from there. It's always cool to explore new products. Some of that other product we see it so much, and these are just kind of fun to unbox and get them out of the packaging and, you know, see them outside of, like, see them in kind of a collector's eyes versus just seeing them on the pegs and dismissing it as something for kids. So very cool line. Thanks again, Jcar Diecast, for sending over, and thank you for watching. I appreciate it.